I have to choose just one, right?
You must choose between us. Yeah, you must choose between us.
Don't judge me. Actually, it looks amazing on camera. We gonna see.
It's the rockin' hair.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. So today's theme
is pyramid scheme,
but the good kind, the home decor aesthetic kind. So let's hop in. So second to marble, travertine is very much present here in my home. I have a console table in my bedroom. My coffee table is in my living room of travertine. Then there's that travertine console table I have in my living room next to my couch. And of course, all the many accessories that I've shared with you guys, especially in this video, which I will link down below in case you missed it. So yeah, I have a lot. And one day, I'll have enough of it.
But y'all don't say that.
Or not. This first pyramid-esque piece is travertine and
Don't play with me right now. This is my jam. What? Oh, yes.
amazing. Now I say pyramid-esque because instead of 4 sides, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How stunning. Only $17 at Homegoods. It's porous, sculptural, has texture, all my favorite things, and I cannot wait to style this. In case you missed my last video, I found a few obelisks. Yes, I know how to say that word now. I looked it up. Obelisk, and I have been obsessed and I can't stop buying them, okay? I already had a few here in my home, but in my last video I showed y'all these yummy brown onyx ones. Y'all, I found one in travertine too, baby. Okay, I found a few. Y'all know I usually buy multiples of a piece, especially when it's stone, to make sure I get the right one. It's very important.
This is serious business. Okay.
Luckily, they had multiples of both of these pieces, so I got 3 of these and I got 4 of these, mainly because I didn't have time to sit there in the store and go back and forth. Like, we got stuff to do. So I got them home, laid them on the table, and then I was like, it's crazy to keep all these, right? Yes. Then I was like, dang, do I need one of each shape? I have to choose just one, right?
You must choose between us. Yeah, you must choose between us.
So like I said, the first one was $17. This one was $20. And I think I'm gonna keep both. I checked online and saw how much people are charging for stuff like this. Y'all, they are taxing, okay? Like, yeah.
Y'all spent.
No, ma'am. So me keeping one of each of these is way less than one piece is selling for online. That's how I justify it. Don't judge me. So next up, I found this, okay? And I know it does actually, it looks amazing on camera, okay? Yeah. We love that. But this hasn't reached its full potential. I was thinking of doing a DIY project, maybe like an aged plaster finish, you know? Or I can get some rub and buff and kind of antique this a little bit more because it is giving manufactured gold. So I can make it look more vintage, try to get some patina going on, you know? So hopefully by the time this video comes out, I'll have it done and I will have a short uploaded here on YouTube so you can see what I did with it and how I did it. But yeah, I had to get this. It was only $7 at Ross. Like, why not? So yeah, we gonna see. Oh shoot. Whew, I'm glad this is marble and it didn't break. Last but not least is this gorgeous green marble pyramid. Y'all, if you've been following for a while, you guys have seen how I sprinkled green marble in my bedroom and in my entryway here quite recently actually. And I found this huge one at HomeGoods, only $30, and I had to get it. Now, I know green marble is more vintage Italian vibes, and some people don't like it, but I don't care. It's timeless in my opinion. I don't understand how you cannot like it, but to each his own. To me, it looks good in every space I see it, especially here in my home, so I will never stop loving green marble and using it in my aesthetic. Now, I already had this green marble obelisk in my bedroom and I love it. Now, this one clearly has more veining, more color variation. So I love that this larger one is more muted and it's more of a deeper green tone. More of a subtle, solid marble payoff. And yeah, like I said, only $30 from HomeGoods. Love that for me. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you guys can snag some of these pieces at your HomeGoods, especially those travertine pieces, because that was a steal compared to how much they're going for online. Like, oh my gosh. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.